Okay, in this video I want to show you how to quickly just add activities to your Moodle page or upload files. So we're going to show you how to just upload a syllabus in this video. So from your Moodle page, you've already navigated to the page you want to work on. The first thing you need to do is come over to this cogwheel here, the Actions menu, and turn Editing on. That allows you to edit all the different parts and things that are on your Moodle page. So you then kind of scroll down to the section in which you need to add something or make a change. At the bottom of that section, click Add an Activity or Resource. Okay, and this dialog box will pop up, and you've got lots of options, assignments, quizzes, and things like that, things you can add. You want to come down to the Resources section in this case, because we're adding a file, and choose File. This will take you to the Adding a New File page. You first want to name the file. This is the name that will show up on the Moodle page. You can add a description if you like. If you want that description you type here to display under the file, click this box here. Okay? Now on to adding the file. Here under Select Files, click Add. We want to make sure Upload a File is selected. Click Choose File. This will open up a dialog where you can access your machine, find the file that you want to upload, in this case the syllabus, and click Open. There's the file there. Click Upload this file, and you'll see the file, an icon for the file here, show up. That's all you need to do. Click Save and Return to Course. And you'll see that file or that thing that you have added at the bottom of the section that you've added it to. If you want to move it, you simply click on this Move Resource piece here and move it up into place wherever it is you want it to be. And that is how you add an activity or resource to your Moodle page.